Hello guys, this is Varun from Ateneo Eagle Batch. Today I am going to demonstrate the project I created along with my teammate Pawan. So we created a social media app. So this is our sign up page where a new user can register. If you have already registered, you can go through this login page and add your credential and login. So we'll register new user. So this is John Doe and I'll add an email address and password. In gender, male, and the security question we have to add. So we can register with the following details. We have added all the authentic front end validation. So you need it need to be, name need to be longer than three characters, and we also added some regex for the email address, and password is also validated in front end only. So let's sign up. So this is we got an error message, email already exists, so we can't add an email address which is already present in our database. So we will add a new database, new email. So let's sign up. So we created a profile is created successfully. Now we are going to redirect to login page. So this is the email I used and the password. This is our home page where we'll be seeing the post we post and the post from the user we follow. So as of now we are not following any user, so we don't have any post. So let us make a post first, right? So like 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 this we can see our post. We can add a comment and like our post. We can also edit our comment. It will be edited. We can check the people who liked our post. So right now I am the only one who liked this post, so it's showing my name, and also for the people who commented on my post. So this is I only commented on this post, so it's showing my name. So from here I can go to my account also, so we'll explain it later. So like this. So from this explore page we can check who are the users already registered on the site. So there are plenty of users here, we can follow them. So when we start following, we'll see their posts on our home page. So if there is any, we'll see their posts. So if this user and this number is following number is also going to update. So if a user and my follow to some users, so this like this. Now I can see the post from the Shaker because I'm following Shaker. So this is his post. I can like this post and add a comment. From here I can see who are the people who commented on this post. Here it's showing three people who are commented on this post, and the people who like this post we can see from here, and by clicking on the name or profile we can go to their profiles. So this is the home page. Let me add, so we can also add images. So we will get a preview of images what we are uploading along with the caption. So as we can see, our image is uploaded. Here also we can like our image, our post, and the like count will be updated. And we can also comment on this post by pressing enter. The comment we can comment. We can also edit the comment which I already showed you. So now go to the profile page. So this is the profile page where we can see the post made by the particular user. So these are the posts which made by me, and I can see all my posts which I made. And then if I want, I can edit my post. And also if I don't, if I want to delete, I can delete my post. By pressing on this delete icon, we can delete the post, and you can see the post is deleted. Followers, in followers I can see the people who are following me. As of now nobody is following me, so it's not showing any users. In following, we can see the people we are following. So we are following two people, it's showing the list of two people. In about section, we can see our details and also change our details. Change our details, add phone numbers, and location, and date of birth. And the details will be updated. So we can see our name is changed, phone and updated, and location and database is also updated. And from here we can also change our profile picture by clicking this on this icon. We can add a profile picture. Let me add this. So we have to crop the area we want as a profile picture. So you can see the profile picture is added. Yeah, here also you can see we are getting the profile picture. By clicking on this name, I can go to the profile, and profile picture will come. We can also change the cover photo. Let me change it. So we have to cut the section we want as a cover photo. Yeah, our car photo also got updated. And if we want a user, particular user, to search a particular user, we can search from here. Like root, it will show the suggestion automatically. And by clicking on their name, we can go to their profile and see their posts. The posts which are posted by this particular user. We can see their followers, for the people this user is following, and we can see the about section. We are not getting edit button because it's not the person who is logged in. So we are not getting the edit button. We only getting edit. We'll only get edit option in our account like this. So this is the app. And also when we log out, and we have forget and reset password option. If we forget our password, we can reset using security question, and also using mail. if you remember the main security question, you can directly reset using security question. If you also forgot the security question, you can go through the reset via mail button. So when when as soon as we add the mail in the mailbox, this reset via email button will be enabled. We can click on this. Yeah, it will get a reset link has been sent to your mail. Now we can go to our mail here and we'll get a link, and this link is only valid for 15 minutes. So we can click on this link and add a new password. It will redirect us to the login page where we have to use our new credentials. It will log into us. So this is our project. It is also responsive like this. We can when we open this app in mobile browsers, then this navbar will become responsive, and it will turn into a hamburger menu. When we click on this, we'll get the different options like home and explore, etc. All this, it's fully responsive. So we can log it out from here. We can also search from here like this, and by clicking on the person's name, we can go to their profile and check the post made by their profile and the people they're following, and their followers, and we can log it out from here. So basically was our project. Thank you.